Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Slim Chickens app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Slim Chickens app is a food ordering and rewards platform created for fans of freshly made chicken tenders, wings, and Southern-style meals. Available on both iOS and Android, it lets users easily browse the full Slim Chickens menu, place pickup or delivery orders, and earn points through the Slimthusiast Rewards program. With every dollar spent, users earn points that can be redeemed for free food, drinks, and exclusive perks. The app's standout features include quick reordering for favorite meals, in-app payment options, and customizable orders that let you choose your preferred sauces, sides, and meal combinations. It also helps you find the nearest Slim Chickens location, view operating hours, and access limited-time menu offers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise the Slim Chickens app for its clean design, easy navigation, and quick ordering process. The rewards program is a big hit, offering generous point returns and exclusive discounts for frequent customers. However, some users have reported minor bugs such as login issues or occasional crashes when redeeming rewards. Delivery service options can also vary depending on location. In summary, the Slim Chickens app may be worth using if you frequently enjoy their chicken tenders and want to save money through loyalty rewards. It's a convenient, time-saving option for online ordering, pickup, and exclusive offers. However, if you only dine occasionally or prefer in-person ordering, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.